Did I come here the worst day of the week? I think the worst time too. Nike community store Watts. Definitely want to come here during the week if you can. This is what happens when you come on the weekends. At least we do get 40% off the back wall. I got all excited seeing a full box, but it is a Spizike. Spizike right here. I don't know if this is supposed to be 40 off. Man, get on my way, fool. I don't know if it's supposed to be 40 off. I don't see it in the aisles though. I don't. 45 for the Rejuvenate slides. Rejuvenate slides supposed to be comfy as hell. We'll order size 9s. Those are structure 26, 165. 170, they asking for the full MSRP for that one. Jordan 4RM is $78 and you get the 40% off. That is not bad at all. That's well under 50 bucks. Got some LeBron 22s, 140. KDs right here, 120. Can't believe it's the last day of the regular season already. Kind of crazy. Mocha colorway of, those are definitely not the 41s. Those aren't the Shox R4s as well. What the heck? Air Max 2017s, 135. So even when you don't find crazy stuff, look at this, $35. $35 for these bad boys right here. So what is the discounted price? 20 bucks? Was that 20 bucks for LeBron Witnesses? That's crazy. You really can't go wrong with LeBron Witnesses for 20 bucks. We got quite a few size 11s right here. 11 and a half. All right, I did come over to the women's bigger sizes over here. They have a grade school right here. What's up with this one? $85 for these Air Max DNs. 85 bucks. Another 40% off. So that's what, like 50 bucks or something like that. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. That's a size 7. A Jordan 1 mids right here. These are an SE, 100 bucks. A size 11 half. I see a size 11 women's. See size 12s right there as well. Air Max 95. Big bubbles right here. Size 9.5, $95. Pegasus Premium 165. Got some one mid, another SE right here, 90 bucks. Jordan 1 Elevates if you need to be a little taller, 81. Jordan 1 Low SE, 90. Open for some dope running shoes. Maybe some casual for my kid or my size. Not really seen it. 40% off apparel as well. Where you see some Trojans gear right here, $65 for the sweatshirt. Some medium, $30 for this long sleeve. It's really thick, kind of thick. Tech fleece hoodie right here, $145. Yeah, the red doesn't show as good as my last phone. By red, I mean orange. Yeah, it showed up, price tag showed up a little better on my last phone, I think. Yeah, 70 for the Caton Clark. Caton Clark logo. Oh, there's a big logo on the back as well. Hoodie right here. Starting to see a bunch of these. Starting to see a bunch, different sizes. Got all kinds of t-shirts. Nike Sportswear 35. Spurs, like an alternate colorway. The 55 for that one. It's a men's extra small. Charges. Herbert jersey right here. This is a small 20, 25. Oh, look. Someone accidentally put a t-shirt under there. I was like, what? What? That's crazy. If you could try to take that to the register, see if they fall for it. I was like, what the hell? There's no way. There's no way. 55 for the Chargers hoodie. All right, we got a couple more racks, but we're gonna finish off the back wall first. Not gonna sugarcoat it. Selection not that great because Sunday afternoon, kind of the worst time to come. Maybe Sunday evening might be the worst, but not one of the better days. 120 for the KDs. You definitely want to come to these outlets midweek if you get a chance. Midweek morning, I think, is the best time to come most of the times, because that's when they get the shipments and that's when they throw them out on the floor ASAP. 120 for those. Weekends, they don't really be getting shipments like that. 135 for the most part. Not necessarily like, not that I necessarily know exactly how this store schedule works, but that's just in general. Most stores in general, not just the Nike outlets, 50 for these. Even for the Jordan releases, they get all their shipments midweek, week or two before, and then they have them in the back. And then they release them on Saturdays. They don't get them on Saturdays. 6Y right here. This is React X instead of the great Zoom X right here, 85. Got a Zoom Fly right here. This is what I'm looking for myself. A women's 7, 5.5. Okay, $90. $90. That gets that down to under $50 for these. That's what's up. Might be right around $50. What the hell is this? What is this? What is this? That's like different color booties? Booties? Is that what it's called? But yeah, different color ones of these. It's like water shoe or something? Is that a water shoe? What the hell? Rejuvenate OGS. What the hell? What the hell? Alright, everything 11 and above. See some size 12 to $800 for the Jordan 1 lows. Immortalities 45 for these. KDs, I've been seeing these at Ross and stuff, right? 120. Got those right here, $90. $100 for the Jordan 1 low OGs right here. Luka 5s, 135. Jordan 1 metal. Oh, these are baseball cleats right here, 140. 155. It says, I guess 120. I guess 120. 100 for the LeBron size 13s. Starting to see some extended size pricing, but not that great of a selection of these extended size. No, 45. No extended size pricing on those either. Some interesting Nike by You. If you like these Nike by Yous, check out the Nike clearance store. I'm gonna try to go midweek. Show you guys those. They had a ton of Nike IDs. They have a whole section of the Nike by Yous. Alright, gonna knock out the clearance apparel. I think this is the pants section right here. Got some pretty nice Jordan sweats, double XL, $50. I was like, these look like boxing shorts. I think they're just regular running shorts or something. $30, $30, and then another one of these. Kind of like sweats, slightly different material, $70. Got some short running shorts right here, $75. God, good lord. Been looking for shorts for my kiddo, but he likes like the fleece ones, and I haven't really seen too many great ones. $30 for those ACG, super baggy ACG, $115 extra premium price. I think it's the Mamba pants right here, $50. Yeah, there's the Mamba sign. I guess I see it somewhere. There's some cargo sweatpants, $50. This is like the type of stuff my kid likes. He doesn't like big old Nike signs, so you'd probably like this, $50. 24, not too bad. Maybe a little short, I don't know. Got a bunch of t-shirts right here, $20. You get an extra 40% off, so $12 graphic tees. Got a million of those. Ooh, running t-shirts? These running t-shirts are actually really cheap. They retail for way more. I don't like that color though. Yeah, more t-shirts, pretty cheap. Got Mamba pants right here, $60, 40% off. Ooh, these are actually really fire. These are $125, $125, and you can tell it's extra premium. Like, yeah, that's super nice and thick. Got, yeah, the material's just super nice on these, but they better be at 180 normally, 125. They only have a bunch of smalls, so that's all they got. Damn. But even with that fat discount, 125, still what, 80 bucks or something like that. 75 maybe. But yeah, 60 for these. Moving on to the aisles. That's interesting right there. Actually, that's not bad either. But they do have Alpha Fly 4s right here. $300. You get 40% off, so what was that dropped down to what, 180 or something like that? And in the aisles, of course, they got plenty of the generic Jordans right here, the non-signature J's, and apparently that should not have been on the back wall because they got full boxes right here. They got a whole Sleuth of those. Budget signature basketball shoes over here. These are kind of budgety, not really, because the next gens, I think they retail for like 170, 160 or something like that. So not too budgety. Jordan slides right here. Jordan play slides. Jordan franchise slides. That's what they're called, franchise. Flight courts. Jordan 4 RMs. Dude got some lows. Got a couple of those. Some mids right here. Some are right around the corner already. They got a couple of slides. A lot of generic stuff. Ebernons. Flight Legacies. These have been here forever, I feel like. And a bunch of generics. Got some Air Max 2017s. Shocks R4s. Air Max 90s. Then more generics here in the running section. Nothing too premium. Moving over to the women's clearance section. And it definitely looks like these Jordan mid SEs. They made the back wall because you see them in so many sizes. And yeah, they all go for $100. These got a lot of bling on them. Field Generals, $80. Got a ton of these in various sizes. No price tag on any of them though, so regular price 40 off. Air Max 95 bucks. Another one of these for 90. Is this an Air Max Muse? God, these are ugly. 160, people are paying 160 for that. Yeah, they got them in different colors. These are just so awful looking. These should get 40 off. You want some ugly shoes for 40% off. But if you like them, who gives an F? What I think, who cares? But yeah, A1s right here, 115. And I think that's about it. We saw this earlier. Not really too much. All right, let's knock out the aisles. We got some Forrest Gump Cortez. Got 5 different dunks. Prices are going down. It's nature ones with the ribbon. Pieces. Got the, what's it, Elemental Pink. Of course, I got these. Sale Cacao Wow Coconut Milk. SE Lows. Got some mids. Some of these on the end cap if you want 40 off. Then just like the men's, a ton of generic Air Maxes, all kinds of other generic stuff, what the Flex Experience runners and stuff. Looks like mostly generic stuff. Running shoes, a lot of generic stuff here as well. All right, in the grade school, got some Forces, a couple, or actually quite a few dunks. Black and white, all black, tattoo, light magenta, pale ivory, laser fuchsia. Damn, and then all kinds of generics in the grade school as well. Not the greatest trip, but they still did have that steel, that Witness, which is crazy price. But yeah, this is definitely the best find here. Like $20-ish is pretty freaking crazy for those, especially if you guys play hoops. All right, these Ross trips have been interesting. There's one right next door. And of course, we're gonna start with the men's sneakers. Seen a couple of these Donovan Mitchells. I saw one in size 8. It's an 8.5, $40. Seen a few of these sprinting spikes with no spikes, $20. Seen a ton of those Clippers Crocs lately. Maybe some sketches. I don't even know whose signature shoe this is. Is it a signature? I don't know, $25. Already in the size 10 section, $70 for the KDs. Witnesses, $55. These Metcons right here, Metcons, $70. That's actually kind of a dope colorway. They got a few of those. Got some books right here. What is it, 10.5? Yeah, 10.5, $70. I like that desert camo. Made them Air Maxes, the Air Max 90s, I think that colorway, which was pretty freaking dope. Another one. What's this? I don't know what the hell these are. Crazy Flights going for $70. Adidas, more Skechers. Seeing a ton of these. Has Snoop Dogg helped the Skechers name brand? I don't know, has he? I don't think so though. No, I don't think so. Size 12, $55 for the Zoom Freaks. Huge sizes. See some Clippers ones right there. That's about it though, man. That's crazy. If you're a soccer fan, these sections have been hella interesting and pretty much the same right here. These are all extra small. They pretty much have half of the MLS jerseys right here in the extra small section. Been seeing plenty of these Boston Bruins, Fanatics. Some of them have been premium, some of them just been the regular ones. 30 bucks. Small, size small right here, Atlanta, 15. Netherlands, kind of like a cheaper one though, 13 bucks. Oh, we've been seeing these. This is a size small. Guardians jersey, 20 bucks. Oh, this is one of the premium ones right here, size small. St. Louis Blues, $30. Washington Nationals, 20. It's a Nike. This Washington Nationals right here. It's a medium. Size medium, $30. Nationals, 20. That's a Nike. That is a Nike. This is an Adidas. Atlanta FC, $30. Lakers, Dalton Connect. T-shirt, 17. Another one of those. Adidas, Nashville, jersey, 30. That's a XL. Great for soccer fans. Some baseball fans have been seeing these. That's a double XL. Women's section over here. Big sizes over here, 11 plus. Got these Vomeras. It's actually a pretty dope colorway for women's size 11. $80 though, a little pricey. Pegasus wave. We've been seeing a wave of these here at Ross lately. Was that 70? Yeah, 70. This one does have a price tag on it. Pretty big freaking blazer right here, 50 bucks. Got some campus right here, $40. Got some dunks right here, 65. What are these? Oh, some sprinting spikes. They're actually cross-country spikes, $31. Another pair of dunks right here, 65. Maybe if the price was better, that might be worth it. Vans, what are these, like the long range or something? I forgot what the FDs are called. $27. It's a bigger size in the wrong section. I think that's it, you guys. I think that's it. Some sketches. That's it.